hip hop track. Let's go. Arms combination to the diagonal, down, up, down, and elbows up. To the front, inhale, and relax. One more time, remember this combination, up, down, and elbows. Very good. Double bounces with claps. Go, double, double, march. March. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Double bounce. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch now, next. March. Watch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4 to the side, to the front, and knee. Double. Yes. 1, 2, and 3, and 4 to the side, front, and knee. Watch next. Come forward to the lateral. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down to the front and knee. Yes, come on. Mambo to the front. Down and elbow. Watch now. And now is the moment you have to remember the arm from beginning. Go down, up, elbow. Very good. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down, up, down, elbow. You got it? Come on. You can do it. Down, up. Last time. For everybody. Enjoy. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Watch now. Step tap. And stop. Relax. You can dance. One more time. Step, step, step. Very easy. Okay. We have to add jumping jacks fast. Step, tap, step, tap. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay there and relax. One more time. Step, tap, fast. Stay there. Relax. Are you ready from the top? Go. Very good. Down. Step tap. Give me 4. Yes, you got it. One more time. 4, 3, 2, double. Come on. Come back fast. Down. Yes, stop. Give me 4 jumping jacks. Okay. Arms combination. Very easy. Watch. Go down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yes. Are you ready to repeat? Very easy. Go down. Extend. Flex. Both. Up. Open side. More now. You got it? Go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Punch your head. Go down and up. Again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you got it. We can do it again. Let's go. Go down. Up. Side. You got it? Are you ready from the top? From the double? Come on. Double bounce. Sidewalk. Mambo and fast. Down. Step tap. 4 jumping jacks. Arms combination. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. From the top. Woo! Very easy. Fast. Down. Step tap. Fast. Combination. Punch. Last time. Come forward. Mambo and fast. Down. Step tap. Go. Combo. Up. Punch. And one clap.